My bad.
Yo.
I just sneeze. I just sneeze. Yo, shoot. My bad, bro. I just sneeze.
Yo, what's good with you, yo?
I just sneeze.
Yo, what was that?
I just sneeze.
Yo, what was that?
I sneeze. Pray.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Yo. I just sneeze.
You fucking with me.
I sneeze.
You don't bust this shit in this, man. Fuck it in. What you sneezing on me like that, bro?
You might have the flu now, I'm not gonna lie.
I got a fool?
You might have it.
Yo, I'm about to fuck you up. Where's my dates?
Heavy yeah! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K105, new video. Today we're gonna be going around and sneezing on people. So I got this little spray bottle right here. I'm gonna be, that's all I'm gonna do. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's do it. Ah, shit, my bad. Did I sneeze on you? Did I sneeze on you by accident?
What?
Did I sneeze on you?
What?
I think I sneezed on you by accident. You good?
Alright, you didn't get me.
Alright, thank you.
It's a dry sneeze.
There you go. Ah, shit. My bad.
Fucking dickhead.
I just sneeze.
You want to call the cops on you? Get the hell out of the intersection.
Wait, aren't you the cops?
I'll call the cops on you. Get the hell out of the intersection.
Ah, shit, my bad. Shoot. I just sneeze. Shoot. Ah, shit, my bad. I just sneeze. My nose, I just sneeze. Nah, I fuck with you. It's water. I just sneeze. Yo, I just sneeze.
You fucking tired?
I just sneeze.
You sneeze? What the fuck was that?
I just sneeze.
What the fuck was that?
Nah, I just sneeze.
You didn't sneeze?
I got the flu.
You got the flu?
Yeah.
Nigga, who the fuck you?
Yo.
So close to me.
I just sneeze. I had the flu, my bad.
You got the flu?
Yeah, I had the flu.
So why the fuck you sneezing on niggas?
You might have the flu now, I'm not gonna lie.
I got the flu?
You might have it.
Yo, I'm about to fuck you up. Where's my dates? I'm not fucking playing with you, gang.
What you gonna do about it, nigga? What you gonna do about it?
What I'm gonna do about it? Alright, come here. Watch.
Nah, just sprain.
Try shit like that.
It's a sprain.
Fuck you up.
My bad. It's just for YouTube,
Yeah. Let these niggas know. You try shit again, you actually get fucked up in the city.
My bad.
Alright.
I should know better, right?
Yeah, you should fucking know better.
Alright, my bad, bro. You wanna shout your Instagram out?
Huh?
You wanna shout your Instagram out?
Sure. Hey, what's the hoodie? You know?
I bet. Appreciate you, bro. Fuck. My bad. I just sneeze. Yeah. I just sneeze. My bad. I'm so sorry. Please don't hurt me.
Bro, I know you ain't
Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
I know you ain't
I just sneeze, bro.
bro.
I just sneeze. I had the flu, bro.
Nah, that's crazy.
I had the flu. Please don't crash out on me. You look like you better crash out, bro.
Niggas fully.
My bad.
Wow.
That shit got on my cheek, bro.
Fucking wow.
My bad.
That shit got on my cheek, bro.
I just sneeze, bro.
Come on, bro.
It's a sprain. Look, it's water. It's water.
Yeah.
I got you good, though.
Yo, you funny as hell, bro.
Yo.
Achoo.
I know you didn't, yo.
My bad. Oh shit. Fuck.
Yo, bad.
Yo. Wait. Shoot. My bad, bro. I just sneezed.
Yo, what's good with you, yo?
I just sneezed.
Yo, what was that?
I just sneezed.
Yo, what was that?
Spray.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Yeah, spray. Ah, shit, my bad. I just sneezed. It's water. Look. Shoot. Ah, shit. My bad. I sneezed. My bad. Shoot. It's water.
Hey, get away from me. I don't think that's funny.
I just sneezed.
What are you doing?
I just sneezed. I got the flu. Shoot. My bad.
Yo.
I just sneezed. Yo. I just sneezed.
You fucking with me.
I sneeze.
You're not busting this shit in his mouth, man. Fucking in. What are you sneezing on me like that, bro?
I sneeze.
You fucking mad, cuz.
I had the flu.
Oh, boss, what the fuck is this guy, bro?
It's a prank.
I don't give a fuck about no prank, cousin. Don't be fucking busting on me like that. You know the fuck I am. Get out of here. I don't want to fucking see you on the streets. Get the fuck out of here.
He was backing out of nothing, bro. He was just faking that shit for the video. Oh shit, my bad. I just sneezed.
That was disgusting.
I'm so sorry.
You did that on purpose. I watched you. Keep walking.
I'm sorry.
I watched you. Keep walking.
But I just sneezed.
You sneezed on her on purpose. Keep
No,
walking.
by accident.
Walk. Now, walk. I will use my teacher voice. Walk your butt down the road. That was disgusting.
Oh shit. I just sneezed by accident. I just sneezed.
I know.
I had the flu.
As long as there's no fucking boogers on the back of my head.
Yeah, let me see.
Don't do it again.
Nah, you got a big booger right there.
Shut the fuck up. What was that for?
I just sneezed.
No, why are you fucking smiling like you did it on purpose? Dude, you better not fucking have done that on purpose.
It wasn't on purpose.
Huh?
It wasn't on purpose.
Why?
Cause I like to sneeze on strangers.
Why are you so fucking weird? Why are you such a weird guy?
I like to be weird.
Alright, don't do it again.
Alright. Now I'll fuck with you. It's water. It's a prank.
What is this fucking thing there?
It's a mic.
What is this about?
What you? Ah, shit. I just sneezed. Shoot.
You're gonna get your teeth knocked out if you do that again. You wanna do like this too? Then go fuck around with somebody else.
My bad.
Right? Are you clear?
I like to sneeze on strangers.
I'm sorry?
I like to sneeze on strangers.
Go fuck off, alright?
Can I sneeze on you again?
You do it again, you're going fucking down.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright. But I want to.
Fucking kidding you.
But what if I want to go down?
Well, that's up to you.
Alright.
Fucking make your choices carefully.
Alright.
About to make a group move.
Alright.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Rude. What you?
I want a diamond.
Why are you taking off your sweater? What are you doing? I just sneezed on you. Oh, my bad. I just sneezed by accident. It's by accident.
Are you sneezing?
It's by accident.
Are you sneezing?
I just sneezed, bro.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Can I sneeze on you again?
What you mean sneeze on me again?
Yeah, my bad,
What you mean sneeze on me again, bro?
My bad, my bad.
You alright, bro? Like, what's up with you,
It's a
bro?
prank, it's a prank. It's a prank. What's up, bro? How you doing? You remember me?
Yeah, I remember.
How you doing?
You the one who sprayed me.
I sprayed you, yeah.
Don't spray me again.
You wanna get back? I'll spray you?
Don't do that again.
Touch you. Nah, I'm fucking with you.
This time it's not gonna be. I give you forgiveness last time.
Yeah.
Listen, I look kids, but I'm 63 years old. My son older than you. I don't want to play that game.
Alright. Nice to see you.
It's not funny. You know?
I got you.
And be careful. Somebody gonna hurt you.
Yeah.
When you do that, they just punch you.
Yeah.
Those people, it's not a lot of people. Some people they get mad. Some people they come with, what they going through. When you jump like that, they just. If I catch you that day, oh man, you might go to jail that day.
Yeah, I know. Alright, appreciate you.
Don't play that game.